why is the hammer aluminium, people? People with some high school chemistry ought to know. He's tacking it. As you can see, I've got my clobbering stick. People, just get out of line. You'll see what's going to happen. Come on, come on. I hope this section goes on my boat. I missed this all on the other days because I didn't get access. It's all happening here. As you can see, I'm doing my bit, which is walking and talking. Nothing but quality, people.
Nhấp cồn lên nha.
Nhấp cẩu lên nhẹ chút.
Nhẹ lên. Từ từ nhẹ. Thôi.
Có nhấp cẩu nhẹ thôi.
Rồi được rồi. Thôi.
Lôi cái đó.
Rồi bẻ đi, bẻ về trước đi. Bẻ nữa.
Trước à?
Rồi, giữ nguyên.
I think I need to invest in some of those mini glasses. So I'm getting flashes here and there, even though I'm careful. Can't be careful enough. There you go. Just got another one. And I'm just in the shadow there.
Go on. Ôi. Rồi, giữ im mate.
I'm just going to turn away, it's just easier. I think you've had enough time to answer in the comments, why do we have an aluminium hammer to bash aluminium? If you're using a steel hammer, because it's different material, it's got carbon in it, it's got steel, well, it's got steel, it's got iron. Jeez, like you've got high school chemistry, get with the program. The iron's got all bunch of whole heap of constituent elements, depending on what type of steel it is, and that'll impregnate into the aluminium, and it'll cause problems. You can get galvanic corrosion, you can get bad welds if you're going to weld on that spot. It's about impurities, okay? We don't want impurities into the aluminium. Okay, so he's tacked it on there, and now he's putting a brace just to hold it there, which isn't actually 5083, but it doesn't matter. It's going to be ground up anyway.
Like, subscribe, comment.
So we have one job finished, and there's no one sitting around scratching their head wondering what else to do. Then they go straight and do another job.
Hello, Victor.
Hello, Mr. Tung. These sections keep on multiplying. Literally, last week there was like 4, And now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus there's been 3 added. So that's 10 in a matter of 3 days. Crazy. That's a stiffener, just to keep it roughly flat. Why do we have these plates here when welding? The actual weld we need is just this length in yellow here, with the job ending at the orange lines.
You do not follow our welding standards. On the butt weld area here, we will have the small bit here.
Yeah.
Yeah, to make sure that during welding, from start to finish, we don't have any defects.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because the defect is going to be at the end.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. All for steel and aluminum, that will be the same.
Okay.
So we must be attention at least 25 mil here.
25 mil up beyond here. Yeah. Okay. And that means when the weld's finished, you grind it off.
Yeah.
And then it's a perfect end.
Yeah. When we finish welding here, we will remove this bit here.
Yeah.
We cut in here, and that's one the same original material. That's one the very good quality. Cắt rửa lên đi. Cắt from the...
I'm asking a lot here. He wasn't even doing this job, and now he's doing it. And the result is a good weld the whole way along. Here's a bunch of those little extra plates to keep the welds up to standard. They do them everywhere. Attention to detail, people, it's very important. That's what I'm here for, walking around asking silly questions. Of course, I don't know anything about aluminium welding. When I did mechanical engineering, I was more into the heat transfer side of things, would you believe? But it doesn't matter about what you learn, it's about how you learn. This is the crazy thing about people learning nowadays. They try to impress you with facts and figures. It's not learning. You go to university to work out how to learn, where to find the information, not to remember the information, where to find it and how to learn. Because there's things you're not going to be taught in university. So you have to, well, work it out for yourself. Oh, I think it's lunchtime. I was feeling a bit peckish. Mind you, I had my breakfast like 35 minutes ago. Oh well, lunch.
Like, subscribe.